Hello everyone. I just did a video a few days back on the new expression of interest form by Alberta PNP. In response to that particular video, I got a lot of questions that if I already have an expression of interest in progress, should I withdraw it or not? So let's have a discussion on that. And by the end of this video, I hope you have that answer. So if you log into your Alberta immigration portal, and if you go ahead and click on create new expression of interest, if you already have an expression of interest, you will get this error message, which basically means that you cannot have more than one expression of interest. That's very clear. So if you already have an expression of interest, let me go through the demo expression of interest that I have. So for example, I already have a demo expression of interest available. If I already have it, so my only option is to cancel this particular expression of interest. I cannot make any updates to the expression of interest. So if I open this expression of interest, I cannot make any changes, right? Like all the fields are disabled. I cannot make any changes. However, if you have an older expression of interest, you would see certain fields which are blank in your expression of interest. So let me go and give you a view of how the expression of interest has changed between last time and this time. So on your screen, you would see on the left hand side of your screen, you will see the newer expression of interest form. And on the right hand side, you will notice the older expression of interest form. If you go section by section, I'll go section by section in a bit. If you go to the job and offer letter section of your older expression of interest, then you would see there are certain fields which are blank. However, in the new expression of interest, those fields are mandatory. Okay, so this is a major change between the last time and this time as far as expression of interest form is concerned. Now let's do a quick comparison on section by section if the expression of interest form has changed, if anything material on expression of interest has changed. So the first section is as it is. Let's look at the contact information quickly. Contact information is same. Nothing has changed. Even on the immigration status, nothing has changed. Even on education language proficiency, I see no changes as far as the new and old forms are concerned. Work experience, let's look into that. None of the details have changed. Age, nothing has changed. Connections to Alberta, nothing has changed, and the only change is in the job offer and employment contract section. So this section, right? So if you look into that, this section has changed a bit. So now, before going on, let's compare the other sections also. Alberta job offer hasn't changed, alignment with regulatory requirements haven't changed, and nothing else has changed on the other sections. Okay, so if nothing has changed, only one section has changed, then the question from many people are whether should I cancel my old expression of interest and create a new expression of interest. Now in this, let's have a discussion on that. As far as the decision to cancel your expression of interest and creating your expression of interest is concerned, in my opinion, expression of interest is not a first come first serve thing. Okay, if your profile matches Alberta's requirement, you will get an invitation even if you cancel and recreate your application or your expression of interest. So you are waiting for an invitation to apply, and if you have not yet applied, in my personal opinion, there is no harm in canceling your expression of interest and creating a new one. That will make sure that Alberta has your latest information and it uses that to make a decision on your application. So if you already have an expression of interest which is a bit older and you have not put in your wage details, which is very important anyways, right? So in my personal opinion, again, it's my personal opinion, not a legal opinion or anything, but if I was in your place, I would cancel my expression of interest and create a new expression of interest. Okay, because of the simple fact that expression of interests are not first come first serve. That is very clear. Expression of interest will make sure that the information that you are giving is updated, and since there is no way to update the expression of interest, the only way is to cancel and recreate that. There is no official confirmation from Alberta on how to approach the question of existing expression of interest versus older expression of interest, but in my personal opinion, again not a legal opinion, cancelling your expression of interest and creating a new one should not hamper your application. I hope you guys got an answer to the question that some of you were asking me on the WhatsApp group, on the YouTube comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.